You already have a subscription for music and for movies, but none that take care of your BMW? Well then, listen up. BMW First is the new monthly subscription for your BMW. For a small monthly fee, you provide your BMW with everything it needs. From fresh wipers and new light bulbs to a 20% discount on your service bills, professional hand washes and vacs, and much more. All that without any extra charges. You don't only save money, but also enjoy exciting extras such as exclusive access to the BMW First Experience fleet. And the best? No contract, no cancellation fees, no catch. You can cancel your subscription online, change or upgrade it at any time, 24/7. Let's go. Just follow these 3 simple steps and you are ready for BMW First. 1. Visit bmw-first.ie and choose the package that suits you best. 2. Register online for your first trial month. 3. Enjoy your advantages and redeem your BMW First subscription services at any BMW retailer in Ireland or at any Topaz Circle K station right after your successful registration. Try your BMW First subscription today with a free first month and without a catch. Check out bmw-first.ie.